go. So here is our male model. We're going to start with urinary. So the urinary structures that we can see here, this tube right here is a ureter. So the kidney would be up here. So the ureter is carrying urine from the kidney down to the urinary bladder. So here in the urinary bladder, if we take this top part off, we can see the trigon. You see that kind of lighter color here? Right? That's that funnel. It's like a stiffer material. So it keeps the openings to the ureters open, even when the bladder is empty, so that it doesn't collapse and cause backup of urine up to the kidneys and cause kidney failure. So here, urinary bladder, trigon, the ureteral orifice here. If we look on the other half, we can see the other one right here, that ureteral orifice there. Okay. Then you have the beginning of the urethra. Okay. So the internal urethral sphincter is right here. That is smooth muscle, so it is involuntary. The external urethral sphincter on the male is after the prostate. So this skeletal muscle right here, which is also called the urogenital diaphragm, is skeletal muscle. That is your voluntary external urethral sphincter. Then you have the parts of the urethra. Since we have a male model here, we actually have 3 segments of the urethra. The first one is as it passes through the prostate. So this is the prostatic urethra. Then you have the membranous urethra, and that's as it passes through this urogenital diaphragm right here. Right? So it's hard for me to label on this one because it's kind of right in the way, right? But it would be right there as it passes through this muscle. Then the rest of the urethra is the spongy or penile urethra. Then you have the external urethral orifice right there, and for males, that is a dual purpose hole for urine and for semen. And that should conclude the urinary part.